guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are doing something different. We also have a guest. Titan is joining us. Titan, you want to say hello? You want to say hello to the camera? Okay, so for today's video we are doing something a bit different. Okay, so I wear a lot of leggings and t-shirts, and most of the t-shirts are not mine, is Ivan's. Okay, so I thought it would be fun to show you how I dress it up, like how to turn the usual leggings and t-shirt into something a bit more fashionable. Little things you can do here and there. I think I have sort of summarized it down to 7 steps that you can do to dress up, to bring it up a notch, your t-shirt and leggings. So please keep watching if you want to know what I do. It's sort of just a light and easy fun video. That's why I'm actually filming in my bedroom. I thought I just want to do something light and easy today. So if you want to see how I actually turn leggings and a t-shirt into something a bit more presentable, please keep watching. Oh, and for you guys that have not subscribed, please subscribe. I mean, you're here already. Why don't you want to subscribe? You can see my dogs more and more. So if you're new, please do subscribe, and let's jump into the video. Okay guys, so this is how I look like 99% of the time. I always just throw on jeans, a t-shirt, slippers, and I carry my wallet and my handphone in my hands. And today I thought of just showing y'all how we can turn it up a notch. So let's jump to step 1. Okay, so as you can see, step 1 is ironing your t-shirt. And why I say this is crumpled t-shirts look messy, they don't look neat. Trust me, ironing your t-shirt, whichever t-shirt you're using, gives it the appearance that you really took effort and it looks really neat and there's no wrinkles. So definitely iron your t-shirt is step 1. Okay, so this is my natural hair. It's super wavy and frizzy. So I actually throw it up in a bun most of the time. And I try, when I want to look a bit more put together, I actually blow out the hair. I try to manage it as much as I can. So I go in with blow dry it. I use a heat protectant, some serum, some anti-freezing serum. And I just try to get it to be a bit tame. And you can see right here that it definitely looks better than the curly one. Okay, so the third step is to go in with a bit of makeup, like very simple makeup. I like to do powder, mascara, and lip tint, like a lip balm, not a lip tint. Last time I used to go in with an eyeliner. Trust me, I am a person that spends a lot of my days without makeup, but when I want to take a bit of an effort, this is actually what I do. I just put on some powder, a bit of mascara, and a lip balm. This is what I've been doing currently. I remember last time when I was working, I used to love putting on eyeliners, but this is my current very simple 3-step makeup routine. Alright, so accessories. This is something that I picked up recently. I've never been a person to actually use a lot of accessories, especially chains and watches and earrings. But I've noticed that by throwing a couple of pieces here and there, you actually look a lot more stylish. Like you can turn the outfit into something a bit of like an Instagrammable post, or something that looks a bit more stylish. You will get what I mean at the end. If you can see here, like, yep, it definitely makes the look a bit more elegant, I would say. Perfume is my absolute favorite step. Nothing is more better than walking by some people and they smelling your perfume. Like, trust me, that's amazing.
Alright, slippers. Nothing wrong with slippers. Like, slippers are super comfy. I'm doing a little dance for you. But the thing is, with slippers, you tend to look a bit more clumsy, a bit more lazy. So pick out a proper shoe. Here I'm going with a sneaker. You can use heels, you can use like sandals, really pretty girly sandals. And if you can see, it makes you look a bit more like, not so casual, if you get what I mean. So you can use any type of bag that you like. Currently, I like this handbag, and I put a lot of my stuff into it. You can carry a lot more stuff this way, and you don't have to be fumbling with your wallet and phone in your hand, and you look a lot more classy, trust me. Okay, so after 7 steps, this is what I actually look like. I'm not sure if you can see, but there is definitely a difference from how we actually started. There's a little things here and there that you can do. I have the before screen here, and you can see the difference, like just carrying a bag, putting on a bit of makeup, ironing your t-shirt, changing that slipper, can actually make a lot of difference. So here I am trying to pretend that I'm on the phone, but that's about it, you guys. This is my 7 steps.
Okay guys, so that wraps it up. I hope you enjoyed the video. I know it was just a bit here and there, and that's actually what I do when I think I want to just turn it up a bit. Like for example, if I'm just going to the mall or to the movies and I want to look a bit more put together, like when I see people outside, I want them to think like, oh, she took some effort at least. So this is what I actually do. If not, 9 times out of 10 when you see me outside in public, I would look like the first picture, like the first clip, the one where I just have leggings and t-shirt and my hair is in a bun. That's how I look 99% of the time. But my mom and my husband says I need to dress a bit well, so here I am trying, and I thought I'll just share it with you guys. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up, comment down below what you thought about it. What do you do? Like something, if you have anything different, how do you dress things up? Let me know. And that's it. I think we're done. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. You want to say hello to the camera? You want to say hello? I just wear leggings, so I think he's shy. Do you guys think he's shy? I think he's shy. Do you guys want to see my other dog? Bailey, come. Come here. This is Bailey. Bailey, say hello to the camera. I will have Titan. Titan. I think they want to say hello. Titan, come here. Come here. Come say hello to the camera. No. Ah! Okay. Say hello to the camera, Titan. Say hello. Say hello to the camera. Say hello. You want to say hello? Could you show your face, your cute face? Oh, your cute, your cute face. Do you want to show your cute face? I got a friend. I need to record. Could you go? No. Could you go? I want to record. I want to record. I do it most of the time, and it's not. Can you sit down? Titan, you gotta stop breathing like that. They can hear you. We're just gonna wait for him to like stop breathing. Titan, stop breathing like that. Bailey, stop walking.